Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial we will be discussing about how to display a matrix. That means how to display a two-dimensional array. So without wasting any time, I am going to start now. So you can see here, this is the logic, this is the method. Okay. So a matrix, that means there will be a couple of rows and a couple of columns. Okay. So I have to take two variable that will represents row and column. I for row and j for column, m for total number of rows, n for total number of columns, and ans, that is an integer variable which will restore the function, that is the getChar function. Okay. I will be discussing how I am going to use this getChar function, and under this you can see here, inside this do while loop, here I am using and do while loop. So inside this do while loop I am going to calculate all this thing, because why I am going to calculate, because a do while loop without a condition, there is a condition also. So when this condition will be true, then the whole body part will be iterated again and again. That means it will ask you that do you want to continue. Then if you press, that means this C, capital C or small c, then the whole thing will be uh, continue, that means will be execute again within the same output screen. You don't need to close the output screen, then you don't need to again execute and run the whole program. Okay. So if there you press capital C or small c, if you can write here anything else, capital Y or small y, your condition, which is your condition, here is condition answer equal to capital C or small c. So actually getChar is a function that will uh, store only one character value. Okay. So C, capital C or small c, only a single character. So this function will store only a single character. So if you press a single character, that means so answer equal to getChar. So if answer equal to while answer equal to capital C or small c, then the whole part will continue again. But if you press anything else except capital C or small c, then the you will be locked out to the from the output screen. Okay, you will be exit from the output screen. So that's why I am using a do while loop, and this is the purpose of using the ans, that means ants variable. Okay, so let's have a look on the method how to display matrix. So system cls, this command will clear all the previous output screen. Okay. So then printf display matrix, printf enter the number of rows that scanf m. Okay, so m is the total number of rows and n is the total number of columns which will be given by user. So then enter the elements in the matrix. So we have to enter the elements of the matrix. Okay. So this is an outer for loop, this is the inner for loop. So for I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. So here I is the I represents row. Okay. So I will be continue up to what, up to m, because m is the total number of rows. So I will start from 0 and I will continue up to m minus up to n minus m minus 1, m minus 1. That means I less than m or I less than equal to m minus 1. So within this for loop, again we have to use another for loop. This will print the column. Okay. So j for column, j will start from 0 again and j will continue up to n minus 1. That means j less than n or j less than equal to n minus 1. Here I write j less than n. You can write here also j less than equal to n minus 1. Okay. So both are same. So that means j will continue up to n minus 1 and j value will be increased. So when I will be 0, that means when in the I am going to discuss with using an example. Okay, so wait a bit. At first, let me discuss how this formula is working. Then I am going to discuss with using an example. This is the example. Look, so a number of rows. That means if you guess in the first row, there will be 3 columns. That means the matrix will composed with 3 row and 4 columns. Row 4 into 3. Sorry. This is the example. So this will be 4 and 3. Suppose see here. This is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 9, 0, 1. So this is the matrix. So here total number of row, that is 4. This will be 3 also. Okay. So total number of row is, you can see here 4. So m equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the total. This is the 4 rows and here is 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. So when I equal to 0, for I equal to 0, j value will be what? J value will be, for j equal to 0, j equal to 0, j 1. So here n equal to what? N equal to 3. So j will continue up to what? 3 minus 1, that means 2. So 0, 1, 2. The j value will be 0, 1, 2. Okay. So when I is 0, j value will be 0, 1, 2. That means it will print I0 for j0, I0 for j1, I0 for j2. Okay. Then when j value will be 3, the inner for loop will be what? Exit. That means that for j equal to 3, this part will not be going to executed. So again, then I value will be incremented by 1, then I value will be 1, I value will be yes 1, that means 0 plus 1, 1, the as the our incremental that, because I plus plus, that means I equal to I plus 1, this is the our increment condition. So when I will be 1, then j value again will be this for loop will be executed 3 times. That means j equal, for j equal to 0, j equal to 1, j equal to 2. So you can see here. So in this for loop, what we have to do, we have to write, this is the printf statement, a %t colon ij. That means it will print when I will be 0, it will print a0, j at first j0, so a00 colon, then a01 colon, then a02 colon, because j value will be continue up to 2. Then I value will be 1, then it will print a10, a11, a12. Then again I value will be incremented by 2, then it will print a20, a21, a22. I think now this thing is clear. And it will scan this a of I and j, a of ij. Okay. So this is the part for taking the array elements from user. Then we have to display. That means we have to print those array elements. So same thing, for I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus, j plus plus. Printf a of %d equal to %d. That means a of 0, that means a of I j equal to a of ij. Okay, so it will print this thing. Then here I am using one printf backslash n, so then the cursor will go to the next line. After executing this for loop one time, the cursor will go to the next line. Okay, then a plus stdin, that will what clear the you can see here, as I am going to use this do while loop, so this whole thing will be restored in buffer, so we have to remove this. That's why I am using a plus stdin. Okay, so then the condition, this will print, do you want to continue, printf. This printf statement will print, do you want to continue, press capital C to continue or press any key to exit. Okay, answer equal to get. If answer equal to capital C or answer equal to small c, then the whole thing will be executed once again, otherwise it will not be executed. Okay, so this is the method how to display matrix. Basically, under a row there will be some columns, so that's why under the for loop, outer for loop, there will be an inner for loop, and the inner for loop will represents the columns and the outer for loop will represents the row. So now let's execute the program. Enter the number of rows, suppose 3. Enter the number of columns, 3 also. So you can see here a of 0 0 at why a of 0 0, at first I equal to 0, then j equal to 0, so it will ask for a of 0 0, then colon, then the cursor will be cursor is blinking for my what the element I am going to put. So a of 0 0, suppose 4, then a of 0 1, because I is 0 and j is 1, you can see here. So 0 1, that means suppose then a of 0 2, because again I is 0 but j will incremented by 1, so j value will be 2, so a of 0 2, suppose a of 0 to 9. Then see here a of 1 0, because when j will be 3, the loop will be will not going to execute it, because our condition is that j will continue up to n minus 1. N is here 3, total number of columns n is here 3, so j will continue up to 2. So when j will be 3, then the inner for loop will not be going to execute, then I will be increment by 1. So again here I will be 1 and j will be 0 again. So this is for suppose 7, enter, then you can see here 1 1 9 1 2 6, then you can see here for the next step it will be a of 2 0. See here a of 2 0, suppose 0, a of 2 1 8, a of 2 2, suppose 6. So the elements of the matrix are 4 7 9, 4 7 9, then 7 9 2. When I is 1, that means row is, when I equal to 1, that means in the second row, this element will be there, that means 7 9 and 6. So 7 9 and 6, so in the third row, that means when I will be 2, in the third row these 3 elements will be there, 0 8 and 6, 0 8 and 6. Okay, so now this thing you can see, do you want to continue, press capital C to continue or press any key to exit. So I am giving the input, that is suppose small c. So now you can see here again I am going, I can take another variable, that means another output for checking. So this is the purpose of using do while loop. So now again I am going to the number of rows 0. If I take the number of columns 0, then you can see here, enter the array elements in the matrix, enter the number of matrix R. There is nothing to show because there is no column and the number of rows is 1. So there will be one row, but there will be no column, na? So what this means? This means the matrix is a null matrix. There is nothing. So that's why this is not taking any input from user. So you can see here, do you want to continue? Press capital C or small c, because if I, here is our condition while answer equal to capital C or small c. If I press capital C or small c, then the same thing will be going to do again. The same thing will be going to happen again if I press capital C or small c, but I am taking on input, that is suppose t. Then you can see here, press process executed after a second with return value 0, press any key to continue. That means I will be locked out from the output screen. So this is the method how to display matrix. So if you have any doubt, then feel free to ask in comment box. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay? And share this video with your friends and familiar person, because everyone can get the benefits of this video if you share this. So thank you for watching this video, friend.